Yes, good evening to everybody. Welcome to the TSAP Lasset 2021, and today is the 22nd session in the progress. Yes, participants, if you could see and what I posted on the screen, please read so that I could know that you are with me and I am with you. Unmute and read. Anyone can unmute and read.
It is a humorous statement or line printed on the cups, t-shirts, jargon stickers, masks, brands, and other clothes. If you read if you read between the lines, his wife was in the house, and she is whole and soul of the house. Moreover, she is personification of the home. She is not only a housemaid or housekeeper, but also house god.
Yes, yesterday I told you that I am the boss in this house and I have got my wife's permission to say so. So if you read between the lines, the meaning is different what I shown over there. Yes, again we are discussing the point is here what I want to show is yesterday I said ago false cognates and I told about the homonyms, I told about the paronyms or homophones. But a slight variation would be there for these false cognates. And what is the variation the false cognates means? See, it is sound alike, no doubt at all. And the meaning is different, but the spelling is the same. And such things called false cognates. I repeat, spelling is the same and meaning is different, but etymology means origin of the word is also a different, or sometimes different, sometimes from the same language. For instance, if you say the Spanish burro means donkey, and if you say Italian burro means butter, and these are two burros only. But etymologically, if you see the Spanish language, it is a donkey. You will see the Italian language, it is a butter. That is a false cognate. But English, if you see the English burrow, it means a hole or a tunnel dug by a small animal, especially a rabbit, as a dwelling place. That is a burrow. But if you see the another meaning, that is a homonym, rather we can say, it is a administrative division in various English-speaking countries in principle in terms of the borough. Here, borough, B-R-O-U-G-H-T, borough, and designate a self-governing walled town. So the British borough is a, like a word, and Spanish is a donkey, and the Italian is butter. That is the false cognates. But in another way, also we can say that the false cognate in English is like hi and goodbye. Both are true cognates. But English we say the father and mother. Instead of saying father and mother, we can also say the mom and dad. So this is a relatively the false cognate we can say. But we can also say that elephant, a Spanish cognate that is. But if you see the elephant, the spelling is E-L-E-F-A-N-T, elephant in Spanish. And E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant, we will see in the English also. But both are the same. That is elephant only. And there is the animal, which is the largest animal on the earth, is elephant. But if you see the English much and macho, much, but the O is silent, they also say much. English much and Spanish much. It is the phonetically and semantically similar, but came from the completely different Proto-Indo-European roots. Yes. Let us come to the homophone. Here, homophone spelling is the different, and sound is alike, and meaning is different. Like SWEET, sweet. But when you say the SUITE also sweet, but both are homophones words, the same but have different meaning and different spelling. It is sweet. One sweet is SWEET, sweet, having the pleasant taste characteristic of a sugar or a candy, honey or salt or sour. A cup of hot sweet tea. But here SUIT suit is a set of rooms designated for one's person's family use for a particular purpose. Suit. We booked the suit in that place because a suit is booked for the Miss World. We also say. In the same manner, when you say the homophones, yes, homophones, sight and sight. CIT is sight and SIGHT is sight. Spelling is different, but sounds alike, but meaning is different. This is called the homophones. Like the citation will fail the authors. For the cases we fulfill the citation. And the sight is a faculty of the power of seeing. Joseph lost his sight, his eyesight. Another is managed to see, observe someone, something, or catch an initial glimpse, also sight. And sightseeing also a sight. But when you come to the homonyms, it is spelling is the same, no doubt, arms, but the meanings are different. One arm is body, body parts called arms, ARM, arm. Another is a division of a company. Band is a musical band and a ring, and bark. The tree outer layer is bark, and the sound of a dog makes it also bark. And bat, it is an element, implement used to the hit a ball is called a bat, which is a playing bat, cricket bat. Another is bat, means a nocturnal flying mammal. Can you tell me what you say in Telugu? Can anyone? Bat.
Gabilam, sir.
Yes, I
Gabilam.
appreciate. So these are the things which I made. That's why I told you I am also a human being. So I also commit a mistake. But the mistake we should have to realize it and make it a particular distinction should be there. Though it looks alike, but there are some variations should be there. Like fencing. How many people know what is fencing? Anyone? What is meant by fencing?
To structure the boundary of the land, that is called the fencing, sir.
That is a bordering and fencing, safeguarding the field, house is fencing. That is one meaning. The another meaning is another meaning. If you don't know, you say pass on.
Pass on, sir.
There is a sports in Olympics. See here I am showing. This is called fencing. Did you see it?
Yes, sir.
This is a sports in the Olympics. What do they have in their hand?
Like that on a sword, not on a sword, sir. That
It
is,
is not a sword.
yes.
Kanchukota. The
Yes,
movie
sir.
Rajanala and N.T. Ramarao is uses such a thing that is called rapier or EP or sabre. These are the names. Either say EP, we can say sabres, we can say, or you can say foils also we can say. And these are the like sword, but it is not exactly sword. But there is there is a blade, but at the end there is a round shape would be there which will not pierce into somebody's face. So the fencing is the one is around the you security purpose we can make the fencing boundary wall. The another is fencing the sports. So depending upon the context you should say that that's why we can say it the homonyms. So now I made it very much clear to you the what is the false cognates, what is the homophones, and what is the homonyms. A slight variation would be there from the each one to another. So this is I would like to say to it. Now I will switch over to my wife, that is my better half, Afzal Shehnaz, the MPhil and a retired senior lecturer from the government degree college. And now she will deal the things new from the leftover. Yes. Now I'll switch over to her. Please continue from 16.
Hello, good evening, gentlemen and ladies. Yeah, here I'm dealing with the questions 16.
Continue.
Which dash was the longest sea bridge in India earlier, that is 1914, and which is now dash, that is 2010? Number 1, Pamban Bridge and Bandra Orly Sea Link. Second one, Bandra Orly Sea Link and Pamban Bridge. Third one, Rameshwaram and Bandra Worli Sea Link. Fourth is Bandra Worli Sea Link and Rameshwaram. Anybody, please?
Option 2.
What is the right answer among the four?
Option 2. All right.
Yes, say whether it is right or wrong.
Sorry, it is wrong. Pamban Bridge and Bandra Worli Sea Link. 1. So, it is opened 24th, 1914. It was India's first sea bridge and was the longest sea bridge in India until the opening of Bandra Worli Sea Link in 2010. The old Pamban Bridge has played a significant role in joining Pamban Island with mainland India. Pamban Bridge connects the town of Mandapam in mainland India with Pamban and Rameshwaram. Now the 17th question, which is India's first vertical lift railway sea bridge. Again I'll say, which is India's first vertical lift railway sea bridge. Number 1 is Pamban Bridge. Number 2 is New Pamban Bridge. Number 3
Option
is
3.
Rameshwaram Bridge. And 4th is
Option 3.
Bandra Worli Sea Link.
Which is the right answer among the four?
Anybody?
Option 3.
Say pass on if you don't know.
Rameshwaram Bridge.
Rameswaram Bridge, ma'am.
New Pamban Bridge.
Ayyo.
This is the new Pamban Bridge which I have shown over there. Its
Yeah,
significance is in the right hand side you could see the vertically it will be in a diagonal way it will lift the bridge, and if you want to see the left hand side extreme left, in the vertical manner it will be lifted up when the ship will or boats will pass on over there. When the train comes it will be as it is. So this is the significance would be there, which is that's why that here I made it very much clear that India's first vertical lift railway sea bridge this is. So that is the reason that it is made over there. Next, yes, it
now,
is
18th question. Rameshwaram is situation or located in which state of India? Rameshwaram is situation
Option
or
3.
situated. Actually,
in
it is
which state of
Option
situated.
3.
India? Option 3.
Tamil Nadu.
Tamil Nadu. They have seen that Andhra Pradesh, state of Telangana, Tamil Nadu and Kerala. Oh,
Andhra
right.
Pradesh.
They give the answer.
Nay, Tamil Nadu is the right answer.
Yes.
Very good. That is a new Pamban Bridge in Rameshwaram, Tamil Nadu will soon become a reality. According to Piyush Goyal, the upcoming 2.7 kilometer long new Pamban Bridge is going to be a boon for pilgrims and devotees who wish to start a spiritual tour to Rameshwaram and Dhanushkodi in the state of Tamil Nadu. Okay, now 19. Which is the longest railway platform in India? Shall I say again? Which is the longest railway platform in India? One is Pilibhit Junction, Uttar Pradesh. Second is Kolam Junction, Kerala. Third is Gorakhpur, Uttar Pradesh, India. Kharagpur Junction, West Bengal, India.
Option 3.
Which is the correct one?
Option 3, some
Option.
of the
Yes. Say correct.
S is correct. Gorakhpur, Uttar Pradesh, India.
Yes, forget about
1366.
it. Forget about it.
Now Kolam Junction, Kerala. Kharagpur Junction and Pilibhit Junction, Uttar Pradesh.
Go to the 20th.
Now 20th question. Who is that woman who won 18 medals in the Olympic in 18 by gymnast? One is Simone Biles. Second is Nadia Comaneci, sorry, and Larissa Simonova Latinina, and the third one Olga Korbach.
Fourth one, Olga Korbat. Yes, among the four, and who is the woman and who won the 18 medals in the Olympics? In one of the Olympics, a gymnast. Only one lady has won it. The right answer is third.
Okay. The right answer is third one. Larissa Semenova Latinina. USSR 9 golds, 5 silvers, and 4 bronze. 1956 and 64
Olympics.
in Olympics.
Find the odd man out. Find the odd man out.
Find the odd man out. Nadia Comaneci, Olga Korbut, Larissa Simonova Latinina, and Simone Biles.
These are all the ladies, these are all the people, those who are the gymnasts. But one thing is that is odd man out. That Nadia Comaneci, Olga Korbut, Larissa Simonova Latinina, and Simone Biles. Anyone?
Simone Biles.
Simone Biles, she is a black woman, but the rest of the people are white. Only Simone Biles is a black woman, and the Nadia Comaneci and Olga Korbut and the Larissa Simonova Latviana, they are the white people. So that is the only the odd man out would be there. Of course, hypothesis is no more, but I added like that to know that how far that he could know it. Yes, 22nd question.
22nd question. How many Indian women have won medals at Rio in 2016 Olympics?
1,
1. 4 women, 2. 5 women, 3. 6 women, and 4. 7 women.
as an Indian woman, how many Indian women have won medals in Rio in 216 Olympics?
Yes.
4 women.
Sorry.
Option 1.
And now option 3. 6 women. 6
Read.
women from India have won an Olympic medal, and their names are as follows: Karnam Malleshwari, Mary Kom, Saina Nehwal, PV Sindhu, Sakshi Malik, Chanu Saikom, Mirabai. Sakshi is a freestyle wrestler and she won the nation a bronze in the Rio 2016 Summer Olympics. Now 23rd question. Laulina Borgham dash bronze in Tokyo 2020 Olympics. 1 is wrestling, 2 is
Wrestling.
badminton, 3 is
Option
boxing. Option
1.
1. No.
Option 3.
Option
Option 3.
3. Very good. Option 3 is correct. Okay. 24th question. Which dash countries such as Iceland, Sweden, Finland, and Norway? Which dash countries such as Iceland, Sweden, Finland, and Norway? Number 1, Southeast Asian. Number 2, Middle East. Number 3, Scandinavian. And 4th is African. Which is one? Yes. Option. Okay, alright. Option 3 is Scandinavian. Okay, all right. Now, 25th question. How many dash countries are in Europe today according to the United Nations? 1, 42, 2, 43, 3, 44, 4, 45. Yes? Anybody? Now, the answer is 44. Alright. 26. How kidney stones are formed, are accumulated, and it is made of calcium plus dash. 1 is acetic acid, 2 is hydrochloric acid, 3 is uric acid, and third is amino acid. Anybody? Just keeping quiet. Uric acid. 27 question. At 3 mm x 2.5 mm, the dash in the middle ear is smallest named bone in the human body. 1 is ossicles, 2 is stirrups, 3 is stapes, and malleus. 4 please. Yes, anybody? Stapes, smallest bone in the human body. At 3 mm x 2.5 mm, the stapes in the middle ear is the smallest named bone in the human body. 28. This ability of the brain is known as dash, which helps the brain to repair itself. Cerebrum plasticity, brain plasticity, and neuroplasticity, and limbic plasticity. Which is one? Third one, neuroplasticity. And now feedback. After damage of the brain cells or neurons in the certain area of the brain, the surviving brain cells adapt it, compensate for the lost cells. This ability of the brain is known as neuroplasticity, which helps the brain to repair itself. Now, 29. Why do advocates wear black robe or coat with white shirt and white neckband? One is participation in and support of the justice system. 2 is gives lawyers a sense of being upholders of equality under the law. Third one, the Bar Council of Indian rules under the Advocates Act 1941, 1961, which makes it mandatory for every lawyer to wear. And fourth one, the color black can represent dignity, honor, and wisdom. Hello?
Option 4.
Option 4. No, third one. The Bar Council.
Option 3.
Third one. So, lawyers' dress code in India is governed by the Bar Council of Indian rules under the Advocates Act 1961, which make it mandatory for every lawyer to wear black robe, coat with white shirt and white neckband. So, like this. Now, 30th one. I think last. Find the odd one out. One is jasmine, marigold, rose, hibiscus. Which one? Are you? First one,
Option
jasmine.
4.
No. Hibiscus. It's no jasmine.
Why?
Why? Because are all colors. Jasmine is the white one.
So she has made the turns are up to 30th and she completed the 15 MCQ and both will go in the both GK as well as sometimes it will be touches the current affairs also. And let me come to my turn which I want to make it out. And this is the thing where I left. Of course, this is the second which I get the explanation already. Then mental ability. Yes, here I left over there in the last class. And this we did discuss it. If you write down all numbers 1 to 100, then how many times do you write 3? That we already discussed. It is a 20 times we write it because only one digit will be closed. It will be counted. The rest of the things would be kept as it is. Yes, 117 question. Today is Varun's birthday. I repeat, today is Varun's birthday. 1 year from today, he will be twice as old he was 12 years ago. How old is Varun's today? So it is, today's is Varun's birthday. Let me presume it. 1 year from today, he will be twice as old as he was 12 years ago. And how old is the Varun's today? Yes, anyone? I believe that you are hearing me. I believe that you are hearing me.
Yes, sir.
Why you are not giving reply to my question? Say yes. And you could see also the screen. Say yes.
Yes, sir.
Very good. See, this is the analogy we have to make like this. Let you presume, let Varun's age today is X years. Okay. Then Varun's age after 1 year means X plus 1 year. Okay. Later on the another point they say, X plus 1 they say is equal to 2 into 12 years ago means 2 within bracket x minus 12, then it becomes x plus 1 is equal to 2x minus 2 4, that is x minus 25. At that instance the x age is 25 years. See, this is the equation you have to make it out. Let you presume x years first, then next is Varun's age after 1 year is equal to x plus 1, then thereafter the again the next point he said he was 12 years ago. At that means x plus 1 is equal to 2 into within bracket x minus 12, then it becomes x 25. That is a simple mathematics that you have to do it, then we will get the answer for this one. Because a simple mathematics, first we presume x, then we have to go through it. Okay?
Option 2.
Yeah, that is option 225. No, option 3 is the, yeah, here, do you want to give the answer for this 118 or you want to give the answer for 117? 117, 117 answer is 3, 25 years. Yes, 118, yeah, 118 is 7 is 34 and 5 is 2. Which one is the right answer?
24.
Is it 24? Look, see, 7 is equal to 3 plus 4, 34. Similarly, 5 is equal to 4 plus 1, 41. Just plus it. 3 plus 4, 7. Are you following me?
41.
Yes,
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 the
sir.
41 is the answer. Why? Why 41 is the answer? What is the reason?
4 plus 1, 5.
Okay. That is the reason. You add it enough. Among the chosen one, you have to make it out. Okay. Yeah, that is the thing that you have to make it out. Just logic, we can use it. Yes, 119. Don't trouble yourself. Yeah, please.
Another
Repeat.
logic also.
Yeah, another
Another
logic
logic.
also we can make it out. Yes, you can go anyway. You can use any logic, but you have to reach to the conclusion.
Yes, sir. 7 5 is 35. 35
Yes.
minus 1, 34.
Okay.
7 5 5 is 25. 25 minus 1, 24. Is it option? 24 option.
Ah, okay. So you went by that logic.
Yes, sir.
The easy logic is Easy logic. 3 plus 4, 7, and here 5 plus 1, 4 plus 1, 5. The easy logic that is. Are you following me? So man will go for the easiness rather than the hardness. Okay, let us come to the 119. Don't trouble yourself till the trouble troubles you. How many letters T are there in the above sentence? How many times T is repeated? Why you are taking so much? Just you can count it.
Five
Yes,
times.
Six.
6 times. Just you look at it. Don't see. Don't trouble yourself. Don't means here T is come. Then another T is come. Two. Then yourself again a 3 here. Then again the 4, 5, 6. There are 6 T's are there in the total. Okay, next 120 question. 7, 4, 3. Then 8, 2 dash. It's a very easy question. This is also.
6.
6.
2 option.
2 options, sir.
Yes. Why 2 option? What is the logic?
6 plus 2 is equal to 8.
Mm-hmm. See here,
So
yeah.
here is an 6, sir.
Yes. No, you are right. You made it. 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. 8 minus 2 is equal to 6.
Yes, sir.
So minus from the first number, the second, then answer is 3. The same way, minus from 8, the 2, then you may get the 6, and 6 is the option. That is the serial number 2 is the correct answer. Yes. The 121 question. Areca palm is mainly used as a pollutant absorber for harmful pollutants such as 3, but not 1, which is listed below. Areca palm is mainly used as a pollutant absorber of harmful pollutants such as 3, but not 1, which is listed below. Toluene, acetone, benzene, xylene. Which is not observes. One thing will not observe among the 4. What is the one thing which is not observe? The pollutant by the Sarika form. Answer is benzene, it cannot absorb, but the toluene, it can absorb it, acetone, it can absorb it, xylene, it absorb it. So the feedback is areca palm is mainly used as a pollutant absorber of harmful pollutant such as the toluene, acetone, and xylene. It cleanses the atmospheric air around the, also helps with the air purification. The plant also supplies oxygen even during the night by lowering the carbon dioxide. Yes, fill in the blank. Areca palm, date palm, palira palm, dash. Coconut palm, sago palm, parlor palm, all the above. Yes. Which one is coconut palm right, sago palm right, or parlor palm right, or all the above right?
Coconut palm.
See, why do you say palm? It doesn't have the branches. It is straightly grown over there. At the end, in the top, you will find the leaves as well as the fruits. But when you see the coconut palm, it is also straight. And sago palm also straight. Parlor palm also straight. That means answer is
All the above.
all the above
Okay.
is the right. Yes. Most popular palm trees are areca palm and cantia palm, parlor palm, windmill palm, and pygmy date palm, European fan palm. Generally, when you say palm, we should not say tree because tree has having the branches, palm doesn't have the branches. Sago palm and the lady palm, these are all the type of the different palms which will grow straight without any branches. Yes, that is the idea. Yes, 123 question. The first toe of a man or a woman is known as big toe, great toe, the innermost toe, or all the above. Why you are taking that much time? Yes. If you don't know, you say pass on. I am here.
Pass on.
See, either you say big toe also the same button velu, great toe also the same button velu. The innermost toe means the inside toe. That is all of the above is the right answer. Yes. Now you tell me. For the fingers, thumb also be known as anyone. Of course, generally for toes also we can use it, but generally we don't use for the toes, but you use for the only fingers. బొటవనేళ్ళు ఏమంటారండి సార్ థమ్. ఓకే, థమ్ అంటారు. దీన్ని మాత్రం ఏది ఇంకొక పదం ఉన్నది, ఏది కాళ్ళకు మీన్స్ లెగ్స్ కి హలక్స్
Sir,
అంటారు.
Alex, sir.
హలక్స్ అంటారు. See, if you want, I can show you that why, whether I am right or wrong. Hallux images. Generally, we can say, see, legs కి చూపించిండ్రా, HULUX, hallux. బిగ్ టో ని హలక్స్ అంటారు, కానీ ఇన్నర్ మోస్ట్ టో కూడా అంటారు దాన్ని. దాని డిఫరెంట్ పర్టికులర్ వర్డ్ ఈస్ దేర్, హలక్స్, HA, of course, LUX, hallux. And here sometimes they use HALLX, halagas valga photos. So these are the things which we can make. Do you mean hallux? Yes. Image for the hallux. HALUX or sometimes HALLUX. Okay, subject to the correction of the spelling, how it can make it out. So that is also a hallux. That is another word that we can make it out. Then let us come to the point. The first toe also known as hallux. HALLUX, hallux, big toe or a great toe. The innermost toe. The second toe is the long toe. And the third toe is the middle toe. The fourth toe is the ring toe. And the last is the pink toe. Yes. Now 124th question. What comes next? Aircraft or spacecraft? Spacecraft. Aircraft or spacecraft. Hangar. HANGAR. Ships. Dash dash. Seafront. Garage. Backyard. Dockyard.
Dockyard, sir.
Dockyard is the right word. Dockyard is the right word. Yes, I appreciate Ruhina Naz, because it is a hangar where you can keep it for repairs of the aircraft or either any other purposes also. For even for the safety also they will keep it in the hangar. But when it comes to the ships, garage generally for the it is for the cars and motor vehicles, not motor vehicles. Okay, we can say the motor vehicles also, but the four wheelers mostly we can say the garages. But the right word for the dockyard is the ship where you can mend. What is backyard? Anyone? Backyard. You grow the vegetables, kalyapaku, coriander leaves, lemon in the backyard of your house. Peradu. So a hangar is a closed building structure to hold the aircraft or spacecraft. Hangars are used for the protection from the weather, direct sunlight, for the maintenance and repair and manufacture or assembly or storage of an aircraft. But the backyard is a place where the ships are built or repaired. ఇంకొకటి అడగాలనండి. ప్లాట్ఫామ్ రైల్వేకి ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, షిప్ కి ఏముంటదండి?
Port.
పోర్ట్ అది అది ఆఫ్ కోర్స్ దట్ ఇస్ స్టేషన్ తిరిగి అనుకోండి పోర్ట్. సి హార్బర్ ఏ లిటిల్ డిఫరెంట్ ఫ్రమ్ ద పోర్ట్. Harbor where that all will be assembled over there, and especially the port where the loading and unloading could be done, and even passengers also go from the boat, but the dockyard. But generally we'll say EIER pile, no, EIER pile. Some a specific word is then mostly docks versus dock center. Yes, this can be docks. Yes, platform is it is on the docks. Yeah, so that is the word that generally you use it. Okay, hangar, HANGR, hangar. See, HANGR hangar is different. HANGR hangar is different. In the same fashion, STATIONER stationary, then dash.
N-A-R-Y.
Yes.
Stationary.
Spelling?
Stationary. Option third.
Stationary.
Yes, that stationary NER is pen, pencil, rubber, scale. NER stationary. And this stationary is? NER stationary is? Anyone? Say possum. Stagnant, motionless, నిలబడి ఉన్నదాన్ని స్టేషనరీ అంటారు. ఏ స్టేషనరీ లారీ వాజ్ కొలైడెడ్ బై ఏ రన్నింగ్ లారీ. So station means movementless and stand still. So hangar is a large building, typically the housing aircraft, and hangar is something hang close, and station is without any movement, not moving or no nothing. And whereas stationary, NERY means pen, pencil, paper, notebook, and pads, etc. Okay, now let us see 126 the question. Ship, harbor. Okay. Then airport, aircraft, aeroplane, or plane, all of the above.
Option 2, sir. Airplane.
Yes.
All of the above.
All of the above, because either you say aircraft or you say airplane or you say plane, and it will be other. But one thing I would like to ask you that PLANE plane, like a homonyms, I told you, same word, but the same meaning. Sorry, meanings are different, and sound is same, spelling is the same, but the meaning is different. Another plane is, one is aircraft, okay, we do admit it. Like fencing, one is the security purpose, there you can make it the border is called fencing. Another is it is the Olympic game. Okay, here plane, PLNE, plane means one is aircraft. Another meaning is, if you don't know, say pass on. Don't waste the time.
PLAIN plain means paper, sir. Plain white paper.
PLAIN అది,
Yes, sir.
ఇక్కడ PLANE అంటానా.
Acha.
If you don't know, say pass on, I will give the answer.
Sir, pass on, sir.
ఎస్, కార్పెంటర్ దగ్గర ఉంటది ప్లేన్. ఏది అంటే దాంతో ఏం చేస్తాడు, స్మూత్ చేస్తాడు. ఏంటి, వుడ్, రంద అంటారు, మనం తెలుగులో ఏమన్నా తెలియదు.
Sir, that is called an emery paper, sir.
ఆహా, పేపర్ వేరు బాబు, ఇది ఇన్స్ట్రుమెంట్ ఉంటది. ఐ విల్ షో యూ, దర్ ఇస్ ఇన్స్ట్రుమెంట్, ప్లేన్ ఈస్ దేర్, అండ్ ద కార్పెంటర్ యూజ్ ఇట్ టు స్మూతెన్ ద సర్ఫేస్ ఆఫ్ ది ప్లేన్ ఇమేజెస్. ఇక్కడ ఇది ఇది మామూలు ప్లేన్, ఇది ఏది మనం చూసే ప్లేన్. బట్ హియర్ ఐ షో యూ ద కార్పెంటర్, కార్పెంటర్ టూల్స్ ఇమేజెస్ దాంట్లో ఉంటాయి చూడండి. ఇది చూడండి, కనబడ్డదా అండి, కనబడ్డదా, కనబడ్డదా?
Yes, sir.
కనిపించిందండి.
ఏంటిది, దాంతో ఏం చేస్తారండి? వాట్ యు డూ విత్ దట్ వన్?
Rough
Smooth
surface
the
ను smooth గా
surface of
చేస్తారు.
a wood.
Yes, sir.
Smooth the surface of a
Wood.
wood. Yes, that is the plane. That is another meaning. So that is the another point which I want to share with you. Yes, Bill Gates and Paul G. Allen, Microsoft Windows. మాకు తెలుసు సార్, బిల్ గేట్స్ మైక్రోసాఫ్ట్ విండోస్ ఫౌండర్ అని. GLN, okay, very good. Dennis Ritchie and Ken Thompson, they are the founder of what? Spreadsheet, PowerPoint, Unix or Linux. సార్ అసలు మాకు ఈ స్ప్రెడ్ షీట్ అంటేనే తెలియదు కాదు సార్. I think spreadsheet is nothing but Excel. And PowerPoint, you know, the PowerPoint in the international seminars we will use the PowerPoint, including in the classrooms also we can use the PowerPoint. And Unix and Linux, it is the operating system like a Windows, but mostly the European countries use Unix, UNIX, Unix. The Unix, Linux also is one of the operating system, but earlier it is the Linux, but now it is the Unix mostly used over there. It is the operating system like Windows. So this Ritchie and Ken Thompson Unix. If you ask German people, or French people, or Russian people, or European people mostly, they say Windows. What is Windows? They will say operating system. Oh, okay. Unix, okay. Because they are use Unix. And what they say, Unix, one cannot send the virus to the Unix system. What they say. Okay, let us come to the point. CEO of Microsoft, నాకు తెలుసు సార్, ఎవరు? సత్యనాదెల్ల. Okay. And CEO of Linux, Linus Travolta, Linus Trump, Linus Torvalds, Linus Trainer. CEO of Linux. Of course, now the people are using the Linux more. It is a Linus, 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 Torvalds, means third, right answer. Torvalds, third words. Can you tell me the Bill Gates one nice statement, very famous statement of Bill Gates? Anyone? If you know it, you tell me. If you don't know it, you say pass on.
Awesome.
Yes,
Awesome.
Bill Gates' very beautiful statement would be there. One. If you born in a poor family, it is not your mistake. But if you die as a poor man, it is your mistake. I repeat, if you born in a poor family, it is not your mistake. But if you die as a poor man, it is your mistake. Yes, 129. Let us see. Now the time is going to up. Islamic calendar. It depends upon the lunar month. I repeat, Islamic calendar. It is based on lunar month. Modern calendar, what we are using now is based on solar calendar, Gregorian calendar, George calendar, or Ugadi calendar.
Solar calendar.
Second option,
Option 2.
yes, it is a Gregorian calendar, what we are using now. January, February is the Gregorian calendar. And the last one is 130. Minimum pain to the person in death sentence is, number one, administering the death sentence by the electrocution, or administering the death sentence is a snake bite, or administering the death sentence is hanging to death, or administering the death sentence is burning on the fire.
Running on the fire.
Option 3.
Option 4, sir.
Option 4, sir.
మీకు అర్థమా బర్నింగ్ ఆన్ ద ఫైర్ అంటే అర్థమైందా అండి మీకు కాటికి కాలవడం అన్నట్టు దహనం చేయడం అది
Sir,
Dr. Penny.
hanging to death, sir.
Option 3.
hanging to death is the minimum pain a person will get it. Minimum pain you are getting in the hanging to death. That's why it is the hanging to death is for the any person for the death sentence would be given over there, and they will make it this hang to death. That is the third one. We can make it out, and I don't know how many people seen the Bill Gates or not. And the quotation that I will show you, the Bill Gates quotation. Bill Gates quotation, which I just now read. Yeah, he said, "You are most unhappy customer, you are greatest source of learning." He said one. And success, he said. And Bill Gates has a famous quote, and what his quotes are there. Success is a lousy, and this is one quote that he made it. And success mantra will, philosophy about life, raise Bill Gates, what is the religion? No, better I quote it, then I will make it out. If you die as a poor man, it is not your fault. Yes. Bill Gates quote meaning, if you born poor, it is not your mistake. Can anybody will read, which I put on the screen? Yes?
Bill Gates quotes meaning, if you are born poor, it's not your mistake. But if you die poor, it's your mistake.
Bill Gates is one of the most awesome character ever. For the longest time, he was the richest man in the world, and even now he is still filthy rich. But he is no more now. He is
No more.
no more. Once Bill Gates